The tractor's still down. There's too much snow to get the landscape trailer anywhere near the paddocks. And these bales, they don't move unless you make them. So today wasn't about what should work. It's about what still could.
It's a story we live. City to the country, this is where it begins.
Plan A needed the tractor. Plan B needed clear ground. So this became Plan C. Dragging round bales behind the ATV. Before we could even move the bales, just getting to them was hard. The snow is heavy, packed down with an ice glaze on top. Getting the tarp off wasn't simple. It took a shove. Each round bale weighs between 800 and 1,200 pounds. You feel that weight immediately. Nothing moves fast, nothing moves clean. Bullseye, straight to the camera. Oh gosh. And yes, the stand broke, but we did what we had to do. The chain kept slipping, which meant stopping, resetting, pushing when the ATV couldn't. And yes, the chain slipped again. At this point, we just decided to push it the rest of the way.
Want to see if we can roll it?
Actually, if you want, we could just do these guys.
Now what we gonna do?
While pulling the second round bale, the hitch snapped. That's how heavy they really are. It was just too much weight. The only fix in the moment was to tie it to the hitch base. It was the goat's turn to get some hay now. We were outside for 8 hours, didn't eat, lost a tripod, lost the ATV hitch, and I scratched my eye when the hay flew up. Days like this feel heavy. Winter doesn't care how you feel, and the work still waits. This is what we work for. And that's farm life. Thanks for watching Farm Life Diaries, Urban Fusion. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel.
From the block to the barn, we make it our